So I recently bought a 2026 version of the Adidas 1.0 Ultra Boost. Is it still worth it? Bili ko siya 5,000 pesos lang. I feel like it was meant to be sa Adidas app. One pair na lang daw siya and it was my size. Crazy alignment. Yes, this came out in 2015. It is the triple white. This is the Kanye version, not the Kanye version. Because the Kanye version did not have the Continental rubber, which started with the Ultra Boost 1.0 Retros in 2020. I keep on asking myself, is it still worth it? Definitely. I did not buy this for me. I bought that for that guy right there. For my younger self. I was 15 years old when this came out. And alam naman natin gano'ng ka-hype yung Ultra Boost, yung Yeezy, yung Hype Beast era. If you know, you know. If you lived it, kakaiba yung era na yon for sneakerheads. This was going for 15 plus K, 15, 20K, minsan pa umabot ng 30, especially this colorway, the triple white. Kasi kakaiba yung Boost at that point in time. Hanggang ngayon actually, if nagsuot kayo ng Boost, alam naman natin gano'n ko comfortable to. Wala lang, nag-align lang yung mundo and nagpabili sila sa akin. I know I do have a lot of sneakers already. This wasn't in my priority list. Lagi ko lang siya tinataboy na, ay, may Ultra Boost naman, lagi naman nandyan yan. But it finally happened. Definitely worth it for him right there. And it's definitely worth it for me kasi comfort era na tayo and this is one of the most comfortable shoes of all time. It's also crazy that it took me 11 years to get an Ultra Boost. So yeah, yun nga, sinasabi ko sa inyo, no matter how small your dream is, keep on dreaming. It will happen. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, maybe not in 11 years. But it will happen, especially if you have the drive to do it. So peace, thank you so much for listening to me yapping. Na-excite lang ako, naging bata ulit ako nung nakuha ko to. I have a full review on this on my Red app. Check that out if you want. I'm not forcing you to. Peace, thank you so much for watching.